What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about AIOZ today at the request of Pat. Pat, we're doing this for you, my friend. Hit that like button, you guys. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and let's get into it. Okay, here we are at about 33 cents now. I think it's clear at this point that we have found our low. This is the low. You were coming down at a pretty steady pace. Rounded off that pace at the bottom here, have a flat top to kind of break out from, and I think we are breaking out of this with this past 2 days of price action here. Looking at this for what it is, from an overall all-time high, I believe that's your all-time high, to your low here. I mean, let's look at this. Let's see. Isn't that your all-time high? Yeah. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, technically, no, it's not, but close enough. Close is close, whatever. Hold on, guys. Let's see. Okay, cool. 33 cents now. I believe that your next path, or you're on a path right now, that would take you just above the 382, this yellow line here at 38 cents there. So probably you'll interact with this area at about 41, 42 cents, somewhere in this area where you found resistance here. You found some support right there as well. I could see you stopping right at about 40 cents. Okay, a little bit above 40 cents, but you're at 33 cents now. So you'll probably move up there over the coming days, consolidate whatever, maybe for the rest of the month, maybe for a day or two, but then continue on your merry way up to the golden ratio, where you'll probably go all the way up to the 6.9, the top end there at like 71 cents. Prior support here, prior support back here, right at that area. So it wouldn't surprise me if inevitably over like the next week or two, you move all the way up to like 71 cents, right? Like that's the expectation. Something like that is going to happen. If not by the end of this month of April, very early in the month of May. That's my expectation, right? And then beyond that, of course, AIOZ. I believe they have a lot of growth to go. Man, I remember back here talking about this thing, and I was like, man, it's above $1. I missed my chance. I had a chance to buy it here at 44 cents, and it's above $1. Now it's all the way down here below 40 cents. It's a great time to buy, guys. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but we look at AIOZ here. We compare it to market cap, and just if you do your own research, not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but do your own research, okay? Do your own research. Read into it. Read the white paper. I did. I liked what I was seeing here. I think that this thing has a lot of potential, okay? And the volume is nice. The volume matches. The market cap is nice. 384 million. That's a low enough market cap where if you were to see a $38 billion market cap, which is intense, that's insane, but that'd be 100x. And it's actually not that insane. We've actually seen plenty of cryptos with those kind of market caps come and go, right? So I'm not saying that you have to be a staple in the crypto community. You just have to be a fad to see 100x or more at this point. You could even see a 200x from this price. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor, but you absolutely could see a 200x from this price here. That'd be about the maximum potential I could see this thing having. From the last highs of last cycle to the bear market lows, the expectation would be to do something on the lines of about... Well, I guess you probably don't go above there. Yeah, you probably don't go above 78 bucks. That's the maximum potential. $11 would be your minimum potential, and that's at a 36x. That's already outperforming most coins right now. And then if you get above the 1414, which I think you have a very solid chance of doing, you get to like 30 bucks or so. That's just below 100x. So there's a lot of potential in this coin. I think that it has a lot of growth to go. If we're looking at this overall on a monthly standard here, your RSI did bounce right between the 40 and the 45. That's a nice area to bounce from. The weekly RSI couldn't even get oversold. You're overbought as hell, but you couldn't even get oversold. That's phenomenal, man. If we're looking at the relative lows here, relative lows to the relative highs, bouncing just below the 1414, it's very common to do. You close right above it, so that you close right at it. That should have told you that you're going to respect it. You respected this prior area of resistance here, prior area of resistance and support back here as well. Finding support here is nice. You will continue moving higher. I very much do believe you'll continue higher. Next target area. Yeah, I like it. I really do like that. If not 70 cents, man, maybe you do move all the way up to 80 cents over the next couple of weeks. It wouldn't surprise me if you did, but definitely higher. I would expect that as fast as you came down, you're going to come up even faster. Okay, this is going to be a V-shaped recovery in all definitions of the word, and you're going to be at new all-time highs probably. If not by the end of May, certainly sometime in June. And then going forward, I think that by the end of June, we can expect some dramatically higher targets. Let's see, what are we looking for by the end of June? Probably looking to be at about 230 to 464. Does that make sense? Let's see if it does. Yeah, I like that. $2.30 to $4.64. Something between about a 7x to a 14x is on the table for AIOZ. I absolutely believe that anything and everything between these targets is possible. Probably not so much this one, but something in between, right? You've already shown a couple times that you like your 1414 as resistance, as support. So going just above $3 there, it's very common with the 1414 to go just above it. So a 10x move, I could see that happening. Yeah. $3.20, $3.30 by the end of June, if not sometime early July. I could see that happening. Yeah, you're on your way higher. Weekly RSI looks phenomenal, you guys. You can't get oversold. You have no problem being overbought. This thing is ready to rip, man. Daily time frame. Actually, let's look at the 3-day. That's weird. Okay, there we go. Bullish divergence at the bottom, getting above the 50, looking like you're ready to go. It's looking good. Decent volume on the day, right? We know that because of this. I can't see that on this chart because it's non-existent. On the crypto charts, it's not based on any exchange. It's just the price action. But we know that we have decent volume based on that. 15% in a 24-hour period is nice. Daily RSI is just getting overbought. It's been a while since you've been overbought. What happened the last time that you got overbought? This doesn't count. That's a rejection. It doesn't count. Overbought here. Did you stop on that day? No, you continued. Did you consolidate a little bit, but you continued, right? So this is just the beginning of further things to come. I think it's going to be good things to come. Very nice looking double bottom here. I've got nothing else to say, guys. I think I've said everything that I need to say. 4-hour time frame. Okay, let's talk about the short-term stuff. Maybe you find a little turbulence right now. Maybe. Ultimately, though, I think day after day, man, you're going up. So not financial advice, not a financial advisor. Don't be worried about any of the downside. It's not a time to sell. It's definitely not the time to sell. It's a good time to buy. You might go a little lower. I don't know if you do, man. I'm not calling for you to go lower. I think you found your low. I think it's a good time to buy. I thought for a second there that it looked like you wanted to go lower, but I don't think you do. I think you cooled off enough in the 4-hour and you're going to run up. You're probably going to move up over the coming days and by the end of the month. So I got nothing else for you guys. Hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thank you all for being here. Take care.